Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to show you how to take a pile of stuff from the Dollar Tree and make this really cool Christmas diorama. Diorama. Let's get into it. For this project, I'm going to be using a large ornament, a battery-operated light kit, some Christmas miniatures, a jar lid, and some ribbon. All of these items I picked up at the local Dollar Tree. I started by marking a circle on the front of my ornament and on the bottom as well. Then I used my Dremel to cut these circles out. Now, a Dremel is a really useful tool, especially if you like to work on projects. They're extremely inexpensive and a lot of them come with a variety of bits. You can get them online or at any local hardware store. Then I drilled a hole in the jar lid. Before I started any kind of assembly, I decided to paint the inside of the ornament. I'm going to paint mine kind of like a night sky. You can paint whatever you want. Before gluing the light kit in the bottom of the jar lid, I made sure to push the lights through the hole in the jar lid. Then I positioned the lights how I liked and used a little bit of hot glue to keep them in place. Then I used some ribbon to wrap around the jar lid so that it would look less like a jar lid. Alright, and our Dollar Tree diorama is all finished. All in all, it took maybe an hour to complete this project. It was really quick and easy, and something that I thought of along the way was making these removable. Originally, I was going to make them permanent, but I'm really glad that I thought to make them removable so you can swap it out and put other things in there, kind of change it up year to year. The only thing that I did not get at the Dollar Tree is this felt right here. I picked that up at Walmart for a couple bucks, but still really cheap and quick project that you can do this holiday season. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to like it. We have lots of other projects on our channel, so make sure to check that out and subscribe. And we would love to hear what you thought of this project down in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.